Hello everyone, I am Akhilesh Bhagwat from Graphology Made Simple, and in this particular video I'll be showing you what you are going to learn in this amazing course. So what is graphotherapy? Graphotherapy is the science of improving personality by making changes in handwriting as well as signature, improving your personality or other people's personality as well. Now let's get started. What you're going to learn. So let's say for example you are a shy person and you want to become more confident like this person. You want to become someone who is confident, who is more social, and can talk in front of everyone. So in this particular course, I will be teaching you some concept that is going to help you do that. That is going to help you improve every personality aspect, from your confidence level to your finances to your relationships to your patience level to your aggression to your thinking to your learning to a lot of things. Okay. So first we are going to get started with the basics, which is what is graphotherapy and what is graphology and how does it work. And then we are going to learn about my journey, how graphotherapy helped me improve and how it can help you as well. How graphotherapy helped me become a public speaker from a shy person and how it can help you as well. And then we are going to learn about different methods of graphotherapy, which I have included four methods here, which you are going to learn in this amazing course, which is like a beginner method, common method, then journaling, then direct method, and then action therapy method, which I have created. Okay. And then we are going to learn about then we're going to start with about handwriting analysis. We are going to get started with handwriting analysis. And with handwriting analysis of three subcategories, which is small letters from A to Z, combination letters, combine two or more letters, and then we have capital letters. In small letters, we are going to learn about many negative traits and then we're going to study the positive ones. So I'll be telling you the meanings of many negative traits and then I'm going to tell you which are the positive ones you can write as and why you should avoid this trait and why you should write this. Similarly, different letters I have included all the letters from A to Z. Here you can observe A is present, T is present, which help you increase your confidence level. This YGJ help you improve your finances, your relationship, your social life, and Z to help you with improving your instinct. And then we are going to learn about combination letters. Combination letters includes many combinations. So for example, if you want to improve your overall communication skill, then just improving one letter, for example O, is not going to help with that. You have to improve two letters for that to improve your communication skill. If you want to improve your capabilities, physical and mental capabilities, then you have to improve two letters, which is B and P. So in this particular section, we are going to learn about those combination traits which you can use to improve your some of the overall personality aspect. Okay, and then we are going to get started with capital letters from capital A to capital Z. Here too I have included the negative traits as well as positive traits that you can add, you can avoid. Some traits depend on personality to personality. Some people like to be a fast thinker, so for them this is a good. For some people want to be a slow thinker, so for them this is good. So I have included all the positive traits, as much positive traits as possible in this particular section. Okay, for capital A to capital Z. And then we are going to learn about Jstart method or handwriting patterns, how you can find or improve someone's personality by changing their handwriting pattern. So let's say for example you are an introvert, so most likely you have small size handwriting and you want to become an extrovert. So you can tell the writer or you yourself can increase the size of your handwriting, and that will help you in increasing your confidence level and to help you become more of an extrovert than who you were before, which were an introvert. Okay, similarly there are some changes that you must do in order to feel more optimistic, in order to feel more independent, not isolated, in order to feel more energetic, in order to become someone who is more determined. So I have included many of the traits in this particular section. And then we are going to learn about extra traits. So this is an extra, I have included an extra module here. So it will help you improve your personality aspects as well. For example, if you feel jealousy, then this particular change will help you with that. If you are someone who takes time to correct mistake, then I have a video on that as well. So this is an extra module that will surprise you when you watch it. And then we are going to learn about signature analysis. Then we are going to get started with signature analysis. Which signature changes are good, which signatures are wrong or not good. So for example, how many underlines should have, how many underlines should you avoid, and which type of signature is good. Should Y look be bigger, should circle at the start of signature is good or not. So I have included many traits in this particular section that will help you improve your signature as well, along with handwriting, which I have covered before. And then we are going to learn about extra tips and Q&A. I have added some tips that you can follow to improve your life. Other than that, I also included some Q&A question that many people ask me, like how many time does it take to improve your life through graphotherapy? Are there changes that are applicable to some people, or are there changes that are not applicable to all people? So I have given answer to that question as well in this particular module. And then at last, we are going to study steps and demos. I have included steps to do graphotherapy, how you can practice graphotherapy by yourself, or how you can suggest to other people as well. And I have also included demos so that you can learn how I do it, so you can follow same. So that's all you're going to learn in this course. I believe you learn a lot, and after completing this course, you will surely improve your many personality aspect. And if you learn in a much more deeper manner, then you will be able to help others as well improve their personality aspect as well. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Let's keep learning. Let's keep growing.